we use this spudger here and really carefully pull them out, because they can break really easily. So this should come out now.
It's coming out.
Fuck. And I fucked it up. And I fucked it up. Well, you should start with this part of the video right here, even though the lens is already quite disassembled, but to get you from the hassle of trying to get this out, I would suggest you will start with the front part and then you will continue with the video on this plastic part here, and it should come out. Hey everybody, today I will show you how to remove and replace the front ring on the 17 to 40mm Canon lens here. As you can see, it's broken here. A lot of damage. And here is our new ring from AliExpress. So yeah. Let's start here. I will use a iFixit toolkit. So we will take our pH0 and start with these. Oh no, I meant the, oh, I picked the wrong one. So pH0 here. Let's undo these 4 screws holding the mount. Hopefully it's focused on the right thing here. Okay, so we've undone these here. Now we will unscrew these ones here. For that we will need a pH000 and a 301. And if you have the iFixit toolkit, I would suggest you to put the screws here so you don't lose them. So let's unscrew these with the pH000. Remember one thing. The screw which is here, next to this little Louis key, can see here. The screw which is here it's a bit different. This is the normal screw. Yeah, so here's the other screw. As you can see, it's a bit thicker, so yeah, that's the difference. And the other two are same. Now I will undo these. On the top, I'm not sure if I actually need to undo these, but we'll do so. I'm suggesting you to make sure you put those aside. Now we will remove this thing here. It's a piece of a kind of a metal piece. I'm not really sure why it's there, but it is there, so yeah. And now we will remove this. You will pry from the bottom here and push it out like so. Pull from the bottom like here and pull it out. Okay, so here's our mechanism. We'll put this aside. So here we have some more screws. We are still using the PH000 screwdriver. So let's undo these. It's actually quite an easy lens to repair here. These can get a little tricky. Why? It's actually pretty easy, but you need to be careful because these flex cables are really, really delicate. We'll use this spudger here and really carefully pull them out. Doesn't really. So I had to Okay, so I thought I would give you a closer look here on what I'm doing. So these are really tricky here because they can break really easily and they don't have this pull mechanism here. So you just have to go like this a few times and it should come out like this. It may be easier, but like this one is really tricky because you have some traces here, and if you break the traces, the connector is broken. So just be careful and it should be okay. So let's remove this board here. Okay, now we can zoom this here, maybe unzoom it. Not sure which will be easier. So, as we can see, we have some screws here. Let's take them out. First one, second one here. And as you can see, here are some things. So keep them aside. Okay. I don't have the part for the zooming mechanism, but it should be easy too with the spudger to take out. Okay, so remove these screws on the top. Not sure if you can see it. Maybe I will raise the ISO a bit here. So this should be a bit better. Okay. So this should come out now. Yeah, it's coming out. Fuck. And I fucked it up. And I fucked it up. Okay everybody, so I fucked up real hard here. God damn it, focus. Yeah, as I told you, yeah, you should be careful with these flex cables. So now the USM motor is fucked, yeah. But I've seen there, it's not really that bad, it's only like 350 for this part, but I'm not sure how to replace it, so... I mean, be careful if you want to do this yourself, but I'm not suggesting you to do it yourself, because even I did it badly and I've repaired like 5 lenses already and never had a problem. So this is my big first big problem here, but yeah. What are we gonna do? Probably nothing. Okay, so it came out, and then so we will just swap this here. Make sure the lens name is in the same spot as the focusing part. Okay, so like that. Yeah, as you can see, focusing is on the front, same as the logos. So I'll put back the screws here. And I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that focusing crap motor. That sucks. Hopefully it's just a simple flex cable I can replace, but I'm not sure. It looks pretty complicated. Okay. I'm nervous as hell now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to screw up something here. Okay. So we will put back the focusing, the manual focus. So let's put this back here. God damn it. Well, that's a great video here on how you can repair it when I break it. But things happen, you know. At least it's mine and not someone else's. That would be a bit more embarrassing, you know, if I broke someone else's lens. And I'm not sure how it's gonna affect the camera and the lens, you know. We will see. If it focuses or what's that cable for. But I think it's not going to be able to focus. Probably. Probably it's a sensor and the other part is... I mean, that's the controller and the other part is for the information, for the drive, I mean. One it's for drive and one it's for the info. I think the drive is okay, but the info is messed up. I have a L USM motor actually, somewhere here, but it's from the E24 to 105. But I'm not sure if I can salvage from that one. Probably not. Okay, so push this back in. This tool. I mean, at least you can see that you can break things, you know, even if you are skilled at doing something. So it's a no biggie if you do this for the first time and you don't know what to do. I mean, I've got only 5 lenses that I've repaired, so not that much. But still, you know, it's something, and I thought I'm not going to have any trouble with this one. But, you know, I think we have some problems. Yeah, it sucks. At least the lens will look great. Okay, so again we will look at back here. We'll put the screws back in. Probably a wrong hole. Or is it? It's a wrong hole. Damn it. No, it's not. It was okay. So put back the screws. I was so happy that this came, and I will have a final setup with my lenses. Then this happens. Okay, so put it back together. Last screw here. Don't forget for these. Have to put these back. These are for the positioning of the zoom. Okay, so they are back in. So the last thing here, put this back. Don't forget the last screw here, the thick one. Screw this back. Don't forget the metal backing. And the front part. Just clip it in, and yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to test how this affected my lens, and I probably will let you know in the comments, maybe. Yeah, so peace out, and the next video probably will be how to replace the flex cable. Bye! So as I said in the video, I will be doing another video about replacing the little flex cable thing. I actually disassembled the whole lens and figured out how to reassemble it and put all the things together, and yeah, it was quite a lot. But hopefully I can make a video about it. But it will be a pretty hard task because the EOS R I'm using to record these videos, I mean, like a half an hour of the video is like 100 gigabytes, so that's crazy. That's crazy, and I only have a terabyte of SSD in my computer to edit from, and it's full. So yeah, I might have to invest in some more storage. Yeah, so mistakes happened, and yeah, what are we going to do about it? Probably nothing, because yeah, what you can do, it's already broken. But this should be a lesson for you. If you fail in something, you shouldn't quit. You should continue in this thing and improve to have less failures in life. So yeah, that's probably it. That's all I wanted to say. Just don't quit because you fail in something. After I recorded this video, I disassembled the whole lens and figured out if I even can fix the issue. Ordered the part from AliExpress again, and yeah, hopefully it can be fixed. But I've disassembled it and had a look around it, and I think it should be repairable. So yeah, hopefully there will be a video about how to fix that issue. So stay tuned for more videos, and bye.